me know when you started.
I started, I think.
Rip snort. He's swiping at me from under the chair.
He's getting it. He's looking at you under the crack.
Bubby.
He's gonna scratch you if you keep it up. Oh God, now you got it. Uh-oh, you took it away.
You should see his eyes are like this freaking big. Bubby.
He's gonna get you. Oh, he's biting it. Ah!
Then you want to get it from the side angle. The look on his face, man, his eyes are as big as saucers.
Oh God, they're all lit up.
I told you. Snoof. Snort. Oh, I missed.
Oh, he didn't. Ah, he bite it.
Well, at least it's clean, and the hair product in it is
Vegan.
no, it's cruelty free. Is this considered cruelty or cruel because my cat is playing with?
I don't want that on the damn video.
I can always edit that sneeze out. Bobby. I swear I'm gonna have to brush my hair.
He's doing a pretty good job of raking it out for you.
Bubby, you getting my hair? Bite it too hard. It's still attached to my head there, child.
He don't care.
You should see him at night when I'm laying in bed and I flip my hair. He attacks me in the middle of the night too. Bobby. My big monstrous cat. I got your tail. The half-ass swipe cat. Bubby, where you hiding? Ah! He just sneezed in my hair. Yuck. Ew, I got cat boogies in my hair now. Poor buddy's all sick. At least I got him to play a little.